Ikaw ang sentro ng lahat. If everything in your business moves only when you are present, then you are not just the owner. Ikaw ang sistema. Anak, have you ever felt this? Na kahit na may team ka na, parang ikaw pa rin ang may hawak ng lahat? Na kahit umalis ka lang sandali, may kaba ka kaagad na baka may magkamali. May nakausap ako. Let's call her Baby Lynn. She runs an optical clinic. Malaga siya, hands-on. She knows her patients, their concerns, and even their preferences. At sa totoo lang, mahal na mahal niya ang negosyo niya. But slowly, napagod siya. Hindi dahil mahina siya, kundi dahil siya ang sumasalo ng lahat. She manages the schedule, she follows up with patients, she checks the inventory, she reminds her staff what to do. She makes the final decisions. At ang team niya, naghihintay. Hindi dahil ayaw nilang tumulong, kundi dahil nasanay sila na si Baby Lynn ang laging may sagot. Kaya one time, she tried to step away. 2 araw lang. Pero habang wala siya, may mga bagay na hindi gumalaw. Pagbalik niya, magulo ang clinic. May double booking, may messages na hindi nasagot, may tasks na hindi natapos. At doon siya natahimik. Hindi dahil galit siya, kundi dahil napagtanto niya na hindi pala kayang tumakbo ng negosyo niya nang wala siya. Kaya anak, kapag ikaw ang sentro ng lahat, hindi ka pwedeng mawala. At kapag hindi ka pwedeng mawala, ikaw ang mapapagod. Ito yung lesson. A business that depends on your presence will never give you the freedom that you started it for. Kaya, let's be business-minded Pinoy. May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team, pero gusto ng may structure, accountability, at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now anak ha! The link is in the comment section.